Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox join error code 524. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can often be the culprit. Next, check the official Roblox server status page to confirm there are no widespread outages affecting the platform. Finally, try restarting your router and modem. This simple step can refresh your network connection and resolve many common connectivity issues, getting you back into the game quickly. If your connection is solid, the next step is to look at game-specific settings. Confirm that the game you're attempting to join isn't set to private or restricted, which would prevent others from entering. Also, review your Roblox privacy settings to ensure they permit joining private servers. If it's a private server, make sure you are friends with the game owner. These checks are crucial, as privacy configurations are a common reason for encountering this particular error code. Moving on, let's address system and software-related solutions. Begin by clearing your Roblox cache and temporary internet files, as corrupted data can interfere with game loading. Always ensure your Roblox client is updated to the very latest version available. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems. Additionally, try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes, these security programs can mistakenly block Roblox's connection, leading to the 524 error. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, consider more advanced troubleshooting. A complete reinstallation of the Roblox application can often fix deeply rooted problems. Simply uninstall, then download and reinstall the client. You might also try joining the game from a different device or network to pinpoint if the issue is device-specific. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your problem and contact Roblox support. They can provide personalized assistance to get you back to playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.